In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine left and right Nintendo Joy-Cons on Steam. If you want to use your Joy-Cons as one full controller instead of two separate devices, Steam makes that possible. This is especially useful for games that expect a standard controller layout and work better when both Joy-Cons are treated as a single input device. The process is quick, but there are a couple of important things to check along the way so everything works properly. To get started, make sure both the left and right Joy-Cons are already connected to your computer through Bluetooth and recognized by Steam. This part matters because Steam can only combine them if both controllers are connected at the same time. If one of them is missing or disconnected, the pairing option may not work as expected. Once both Joy-Cons are connected, open Steam and go into the controller settings. In that section, look for an option called Combine Joy-Con Pairs. This is the setting that tells Steam to treat the two separate Joy-Cons as one controller. Depending on your Steam layout or version, the exact placement may vary slightly, but it should be within the controller-related settings. When you find Combine Joy-Con Pairs, turn it on. After enabling it, give Steam a moment to update the controller status. In many cases, the change takes effect right away. If it doesn't appear to update immediately, just wait a few seconds and check the controller list again. At this point, Steam should now recognize the left and right Joy-Cons as a single controller instead of two independent ones. That's the key sign that the setup worked. If you see them behaving as one device inside Steam, you're ready to move on. The last step is to test the controller. In Steam, you can go to Settings, then Controller, and open Test Device Inputs if that option is available. This lets you press buttons, move sticks, and confirm that both Joy-Cons are responding together correctly. It's a good way to catch any issues before launching a game. If the test option isn't available, you can simply start a Steam game that supports controllers and verify that both Joy-Cons work together during gameplay. Check movement, face buttons, shoulder buttons, and any other inputs you plan to use. If everything responds as one controller, then the setup is complete, and that's all it takes to combine left and right Nintendo Joy-Cons on Steam. Once it's enabled, playing with Joy-Cons can feel much more seamless, especially for